In certain crisis situations, you might need to start a catecholamine inotrope or vasopressor infusion. But how? Let's take a quick look at it in this episode of Osler Shortcuts. Catecholamine infusions are commonly used in crisis situations such as septic shock, cardiogenic shock, severe anaphylaxis, and life-threatening asthma. Using them can be confusing, however, as they are usually administered as infusions measured as micrograms per minute. This can be very confusing if you're not used to doing so. You can easily draw up and run an infusion of a catecholamine by using this simple technique. Take 6 milligrams of the drug and dilute it in 100 milliliters of saline or dextrose solution. This will give you a solution diluted to 60 micrograms per milliliter. If you run this solution at 1 milliliter an hour, the patient will receive 1 microgram per minute. Now, simply by adjusting the rate of the infusion in milliliters per hour, you can change the rate in micrograms per minute. For example, 5 milliliters an hour is equivalent to 5 micrograms per minute. You can use this approach for adrenaline or epinephrine in cardiogenic shock or severe anaphylaxis, noradrenaline or norepinephrine in septic shock, or salbutamol in asthma. The most common starting doses and range are shown here. If you'd like to start applying these concepts, why not head over to Osler and check out the great range of modules, podcasts, tutorials, and simulations. Like all Osler content and features, it's completely free. See you next time on Osler Shortcuts.